Sometime last year, we went to Soweto following the incident of a young child who had been grabbed by somebody who calls himself a male and raped the child and then murdered the child. That murder was so gruesome and we were so affected. I'm not saying that other murders would be less gruesome. And it turned out that was an illegal immigrant from Zimbabwe after he got apprehended. We attended the court case and these facts came out. Now, this Soshanguve incident, once more, the person who has been or is called a suspect, who has been arrested, is an illegal immigrant from Zimbabwe. And it's possible that the other suspects who may have been with him, and he was carrying an illegal firearm. He was arrested with an illegal firearm. So it's an illegal immigrant. He is carrying an illegal firearm and a firearm that may have been used in the murder of those now 6 people. Now, it is clear beyond any doubt if you pick up other incidents that illegal immigrants are a contributory factor in criminality in South Africa. They are contributing to crime. And I'm talking about illegal immigrants. And we are extremely worried about this. That is why initiatives like those that took place in Devon, a march against illegal immigrants, calling on government to tighten up, and not verbally this time, by action. It needed to be supported. It needed to be commended because those citizens were taking a stand and making a bold call to government to get to action. And we agree with them. That's why I supported them.